Class 7th, subject Geography. The topic is air. It's continue from presentation first, and the subtopic is weather and climate. This presentation is prepared by Mr. Taslim Arif and Mr. Shaukat Ahmed Bhatt. Let's first know what is weather. Conditions of atmosphere for a short period of time, and the time is hour to hour, day to day, or up to weeks time. This condition which changes in a short period of time or a small area is called weather. The average weather conditions of a place for a long period of time represents climate of a place. Or in simpler terms, we say aggregate of weather conditions for a long period of time or a large area is climate. And we must know that to talk and to say that the climate of a particular place is like this or that, it takes 35 years. For 35 years, we collect data of weather, and then only we can infer that a particular region on the surface of Earth has a particular type of climate. So, with climate and weather, there are so many operations involved. One such operation is atmospheric pressure. As we know that this atmospheric pressure means pressure exerted by the column of air on the Earth's surface. And what's very important to know is that air always blow from high pressure to low pressure. But we need to understand how is this gradient created. कैसे ये स्लोप क्रिएट होता है कि हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ हवा चलने लगे. This gradient and this slope is created by variation in temperature. जिन जगहों पे टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पे एयर प्रेशर कम होता है, और जिन जगहों पे हवा का दबाव ज़्यादा होता है इसका मतलब हुआ वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कम है. यही वजह है कि हवाएं हमेशा हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की ओर चलती है, एंड दैट टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन is responsible for variation in pressure on the surface of Earth. And it is this atmospheric pressure which plays an important role in changing climate of any region on the surface of Earth. अब समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कैसे ये एयर प्रेशर रेस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर चेंजिंग क्लाइमेट. अब सबसे पहले हमें जानना पड़ेगा विंड क्या होता है. जैसे मैंने पहले अर्ज किया, चलती हवाओं को हम विंड कहते हैं, मूविंग एयर. एंड दिस मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर हैज़ अ डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन विद चेंज इन प्रेशर, और वी कैन से प्रेशर डिफरेंस. ऑन दैट बेसिस वी कैटेगराइज द विंड मूवमेंट इनटू 3 different categories. One is permanent wind system, second is seasonal wind system, and the third is local wind system. Permanent winds are those winds which blow permanently on the surface of Earth between permanent zones. And the permanent zones are equatorial zone, which is also called as convergence zone. We have tropical zone, and the latitudes we have a special pattern which operates there. Such latitudes are called horse latitudes. And we have another permanent belt that's called polar belt. and this front is known as polar front. These are permanent places which have difference in pressure. That's why winds always blow permanently from high pressure to low pressure. Now, seasonal winds. Taking into cognizance the distribution of land and water on the surface of earth and the changing climate from time to time. These seasonal winds are functional because of change in inclination of sun towards earth. If we take example of India, we have three water bodies surrounding our country on three sides, and in summer season, because of inclination of sun, the winds blow from ocean or sea towards land, and in the later half of the summer season, in October November, when there is shift of heat belt, winds reverse their direction and they blow from land towards sea. Such a kind of movement of winds is called as seasonal winds. And when we talk of local winds, because of regional differences, because of topographical differences, winds blow, and the movement of wind is induced locally by temperature and pressure regime. Like we talk of Lu, and when we go to the higher heats in the hot summer day, like Pahalgam and other adjoining areas, we experience cool breeze. Or when we are close to any water body in the hot summer day, winds blow from that water body towards the land. That again is very attractive and charming wind, very cool. Such winds are called as local winds. And there are so many other processes involved with this change in climate or weather. That is moisture. Moisture is in the form of evaporation, it's humidity, it's condensation. When we talk of evaporation, it means transformation of water into gaseous form. When we talk of humidity, it means amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. When we talk of condensation, it means transformation of that what's called as cloud into water, water vapor into water. That's called a condensation. And what is very much connected with this is the rainfall, snowfall or hailfall. Rainfall means coming down of liquid on the surface of earth. Rainfall plays a significant role in making life possible on the surface of earth, and this planet is also called as blue planet because of the presence of water that comes down due to rainfall. This is all about climate and weather. Thanks for watching. So nice of you.